take this cover off here. These clips you're going to unscrew a little bit and then pull. Set those aside. This will just come out very easily. What we want to get to is that right there. Well, that's a 3/8 or whatever regular socket. Regular gonna fit on there, and it's not real tight, so we're just gonna take that little cap off. So we got that loosened up. Take that up, set it aside. That's going to be where we're going to fill it. Underneath, we're going to take this cover off. We got one here, one's missing here. These are all 10 millimeters going around here. And then these ones here, they're also missing there. It's going to kind of slide up and out. This part slides on top of that. Set that aside. What we're going for is right here. This is the transmission plug to drain the fluid. So that's what I would take off. I'm also taking off this because this one's also getting a coolant flush, which I'm not showing in this one. This is what we're looking at. So for the trans here, we got the 24 millimeter socket. These aren't, you still need a tool, but these aren't like extremely tight. So it should be pretty easy to come off. I'm going to get something under here to catch it. So I got my bucket under to catch it because I want to know how much is in there. I got it loose. See if I can do this without making a mess, which is highly doubtable since I'm trying with one hand. And I made a mess. Here's the plug. You can see there's a lot of stuff stuck to it. It's a magnet. We're going to get that all cleaned off. And there is a washer crush ring. You don't have to replace that, but make sure you put it back on. Got the plug cleaned up there. Still dripping, so I'm going to let that go for a little bit. We got it all drained. The ring's still there. It looks like we got about 4 quarts out of there. So I'm going to snug this. Don't over tighten this, just give it a good snug. Everything's on there, so we can lower it down and fill it. You can either put this cover on now or fill it and then put it on in case you have drips so it doesn't get all over the cover. That is up to you. I'm going to do it after. Alright, now before I fill it, which I'm going to fill through there, I'm going to take one of these hoses off. Doesn't matter which one. Otherwise you're going to get a lot of burping bubbles coming up and make a mess. Not all going to go in there real smooth. Pull that clip out of the way. Pull this line out like that. May or may not drip. Now I put my funnel in and start the filling. Got my funnel. Get it right in there. And then I got my fluid. I got 4 quarts. I took 4 quarts out. And then I'll just pour slowly until I get all 4 quarts in. it in there, remove your funnel, put our plug back in, just a little plastic piece. I just dropped everything. So this plug is just like plastic, so it can strip real easily. So don't go to town on tightening it. Just, until it stops, and then a little bit more. Put this hose back on. Clip back there. Clamp. There we go. All that's back on. And that should be it. Check your gears, make sure everything's working, and it's good to go.